Eclipsa Audio, a new open-source spatial audio format developed by Google and Samsung, is coming to Chrome and Android. This innovation format brings engaging audio experiences to everyone, not just professionals in the movie or music industries. However, following Samsung's announcement at the start of 2025, Google recently shared more details about Eclipsa Audio. The format is based on the immersive audio model and formats created with input from Google, Samsung, and other key contributors within the Alliance for Open Media. Released under the AOM royalty-free license, Eclipsa Audio aims to transform how we experience sound. The Open Audio team at Google explained that while spatial audio technologies have been around for over 50 years, their creation has been mostly limited to industry professionals. Notably, Eclipsa Audio changes this by allowing anyone to create spatial audio files using freely available audio tool. To make this new format more accessible, Google plans to release a free Eclipsa Audio plugin for the Avid Pro Tools digital audio workstation in the spring. Additionally, an open-source reference renderer is already available for standalone spatial audio playback. Users can also test their Eclipsa audio files directly in their browsers using the binaural web demo application.